Utigo Technology Limited is a professional hose solutions provider since 2009. Our headquarters is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen, with a manufacturing base located in Hecheng Town, Heshan City, Guangdong Province. Our company operates a 5,303 square meters modern production facility and a 450 square meters headquarters office in Shenzhen, maintaining ISO 9001, 2015 certified quality management systems for end-to-end quality control. We are specializing in R&D and manufacturing of high-performance hoses, including rubber hose, polyurethane hose, nylon hose, hydraulic hose, silicone hose, PVC hose, widely applied in industrial equipment, food and beverage, mining and other sectors. We obtain the MSHA, CE, ROHS certificates for the hydraulic hose, FDA certificate for the food-grade rubber hose, and FDA CE ROHS REACH for food-grade PVC hose. We have experienced staff with 43 employees in total, including 5 R&D engineers, 18 sales professionals, to QC specialists. 70% of our sales are overseas sales. We mainly export the goods to America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Oceania market. Our competitive advantages: 16 years of vertical industry expertise, globally certified product portfolio, and customized development and flexible manufacturing. Utigo Flex, your trusted partner in industrial fluid transfer solutions since 2009.